In this video, I want to show you the best phone number verification tool that I have found that not only validates the numbers, but also tells us if it's a landline or mobile phone. So let's get started. To be able to validate phone numbers, we need this tool called clearoutphone.io. This is not sponsored or anything. I've just been using this tool for months. And you can see here, I have done a bunch of work here. It's not just one list of 33,000 numbers that I've cleaned, but I've done this for some months now over multiple projects. Sometimes it's a list of 500, sometimes it's a list of 2,000, so it depends on the project. But this is really cool. They also have this new tool called, text with search numbers from text with ClearOutPhone. So again, this is just really cool on how you can validate phone numbers. And so to be able to validate, we can do two things. We can do bulk or we can do single. So if I just do a single validation real quick on my business phone number here, this is the number that I use to run my business. You can call me here if you have any questions about online marketing stuff, but this is a voice IP. It's a high level number, and then it gives me the different formats, and you can see here it's valid, which is really important. Sometimes I want to send a text message to someone with an update, or I want to prospect someone. I can come in here and see if their number is actually valid, and if it's a landline or a phone number, so a landline or a mobile phone number. So to be able to do a bulk verification, you need something like a CSV file or an Excel file. So I'm using Google Sheets a lot. To get a CSV file or an Excel file from Google Sheets, you just click on download here, and then you do Microsoft Excel or you do CSV. And it's helpful if you have first name, last name, and phone in that list, or if it's just name and phone. It just needs to have a clear header. And then if the format is wrong, ClearOutPhone will not be able to validate the phone numbers. But you can see here, I've purposefully just done all different kinds of numbers and formats to be able to show you that ClearOutPhone actually can clean those numbers and format them for us, which is really helpful. So once you upload the list and you clean the list, it will use some of your credits up here. You can then download that list. And when you download that list, what I usually do is I create a new sheet here in Google Sheets. I'm just gonna copy that result here real quick from my Excel. So this is what it came up with. You can see here, this is the whole list that we just had earlier, but after you've cleaned it with ClearOutPhone, it will give you a bunch more data. So the most important two columns are right here. We can see, is this number valid? And is it a mobile or is it a fixed line? And so again, these are numbers and names that I come up with. But let's just format that list real quick and go through this single things that ClearOutPhone does for you. And you can see here the phone carrier. I don't really care about the phone carrier, so we can delete that later. You can see the state here, the country, time zone, and all these kinds of cool things. And then most importantly, we have the different formats of this number. So I definitely want to keep that. And the rest of what ClearOutPhone gives you, it is pretty much like, I don't know why you would use it, but they give it to you. So I just delete those columns and I just format that list real quick. And you can see here, before the phone number looked like this, and after ClearOutPhone makes it look pretty nice. So this is a non-valid number. I'm gonna delete that contact right now. And so you can see here, it's pretty straightforward on how you clean this list. I'm not going to use this anymore, so I'm going to delete that as well. And here is my final list. I can just, to make it real pretty, final list, and it just shows me what we got here. So I hope this video helped someone out there in the YouTube world. This tool, ClearOutPhone, has helped me a lot, and you can see here all these different results here of lists that I've done. And again, give it a try. If you've got any questions, if you want me to clean lists for you, reach out to me, text me, email me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.